everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Glamego box. And this month you could have chosen your own box, so I have chosen this design because I totally loved it. This is my favorite blue color for the longest time, so I chose this box. You guys can choose your own box. Glamego is super excited this month because the way they have brought all the other big and premium brands like Voste, Menacadair, Roto, Voste, and also Island Kiss. Now they have Sunny Leone brand. That is really super hot. The other plus point is this month we could choose the shade of the lipstick depending on the Valentine mood. First one was a Sunny Leone brand and the other one is from Bella Voste. Bella Voste, we all know that it is a formulation from Italy and Luxembourg, and I love all the Bella Voste product that I have and I have gotten so far in my Glamego boxes. So this month we have got two lipsticks with limited stock, and we all know that most of the stock of Glamego gets over in first 10 days. So you guys are all better hurry up for your subscription, because when I'm going to open, you guys really want to get this box of this month. And this month we also had the option to choose skincare from all the Glamego box until date. So we could have chosen anything, and I have chosen my Biobloom face oil. I'm going to open this box and let's just do the honors. So this is here written India's #1 beauty box, as we all know it. Love is love, StarStruck by Sunny Leone, exclusively in your Glamego box. And the MRP of this product is 799 rupees, and there is also a chance to win complete shades of StarStruck lipstick by tagging your photo with Glamego box and StarStruck lipstick in your social pages. So tag both of them and you can win the whole complete shades of all the Sunny Leone brand. So do that, guys, don't forget to do that. I'm going to do mine too. So the first thing that I've gotten is the Biobloom skincare face oil, and this is age defying radiance and booster. So we all want age defying, and also we all want radiance in our skin, so this will be perfect. And this is how it is, and the fragrance is heavenly, guys. You guys have to really get this. So this is the first product that I've gotten, and I'm a big fan of using face oils, and I think I saw somewhere that you can use it for a month and then you have a chance to win something. Let me just read it out for you guys. So 2 drops of oil every day, use for a month, and share the miracle by tagging us, and grab the silver and golden mask from premium skincare brand Voste. So let's move on to the second product, and second product is from Roto, which is their anti-acne soap, and it is with white tea and licorice. So people who get acne too fast, and these days I'm also getting acne for some reason, or pimples for some reason, so I'm also going to try this. So now let's on to the lipsticks. So the first one that I've gotten is StarStruck by Sunny Leone. So this is how the packaging is. Love the texture of this lipstick and the shade also, and then the way it was gliding on the lips and how creamy it is. I loved everything about it. And now the last product that I've gotten in my box is another lipstick, and that is by Bella Voste, and I love Bella Voste product. I have gotten a lot of products from Glamego box, so I love that about them. And this is their sheer cream lust lipstick, and these are the new shades that they have launched. So my shade is 24, go for peach. So this is the shade I've gotten, and this is how it is. I have to say, I love the creaminess of this lipstick too, and I love the way it is. The formulation is always spot on with all the Bella Voste products. So I love the lipstick. These are all the products that I've gotten in this month's box, and I couldn't be happier of getting everything that I've gotten. I love the face oils, and I also love the lipsticks. So people can give me any number of lipsticks and I'll always love them. You can also check their reviews on Nykaa. There are some great reviews for this face oil. So guys, start using this face oil, and also the lipsticks too. So these are all the products that I've gotten in this month's box, and I love the box, and that is why Glamego box is India's #1 subscription box. It truly shows in their products. So that's all for the unboxing video guys this month. Bye.